Oh. Scott Sogan. Again! God. Why, what? So I put this down and it's...
Oh my God. Full of water.
Now it's all in my mouth.
Nope.
Nope.
Love that. I mean, if you want to. I want to. I'll pull all that shit out.
You do?
I don't.
Oh,
Nice. Nice.
nice.
About to?
Start parking lights on for no reason. Have piles and piles of stuff like that. Yep, come get it, $200.
Yep. $200 gets you this right here. It's supposed to be like that. This thing is fucking gross.
Oh, there's gonna be so much dirt in this thing.
All the dirt.
Can't wait to be filming you down here.
Huh?
Can't wait to film you.
Keep
$10?
Keep $10. No, 10 no socket.
Obviously a 10 mil socket, Jacob. Well, I was gonna. I got. I'm the camera guy. Oh, look, here she comes.
This shit is dirty. Should we stretch this really?
I think we should stretch it.
It'd be right on.
Yeah, this thing's fully clad. This is every single. Oh, dude, that's a sub box, dude. Shit.
Want to steal that?
That's not the only thing worth a shit on this thing. This is every single person's razor after driving it one single ride.
Can't wait to just watch this fall in your face.
Yep.
I'm filming, sorry.
Can't wait.
Camera guy. Oh, those are nice. Surprised they're not just breaking off immediately.
Yeah, I am too.
What do you think about using some safety glasses?
We don't need those.
Safety squints?
Yep. Just go right
Are you
on.
trying to hand me that?
No, there's one bolt over there.
Oh, my eyes. Hell yeah, dude. What park is this?
This is Sabine.
Sabine?
I can tell by the sand.
How it tastes or what?
What's that? I'm okay.
Did you buy this creeper?
You know I did.
Love that for you. What's that, bonus? Hell yeah, I love that. How's it looking over there? Spiders are on me. Oh yeah.
razor. Are you cooked?
Oh my god, dude. Fucking battery. Jesus Christ.
This?
Yeah, my knee cut it right on the corner.
That thing is gashed open, bro.
Oh.
Some dirt on it. Not actually, don't do that. I know I've worked with comp. Kelly, I can't wait to sweep it a third time.
Probably should just wait.
Yeah, then we could have like put the dirt in a bucket and weighed it. I think my mom actually has a bucket. There it is. Hell yeah. How to strip your razor, dude. This is the shortest 100-foot air hose I've ever used. Well, it's only 50 feet. Ugh! Dielectric grease. Oh, hell yeah. She's looking better without all that shit on it.
I did. So when I did my motor, I did okay.
Beautiful. Oh, she's a little cooked. We're about to take this thing to the wash bay, which is the pond. Just dip it in the pond for a week. It's a big ass tripod. I can't film shit. I guess we can go set it up. Now that we piled everything in the way and can't get anything out of here. Love that. Y'all need some parts? 200 bucks. Never sunk. The comments don't even know what the Jeep is, dude. It's just in the background looking sick. Not like dope, but physically ill. You know?
These are expensive when they're not working.
Actual crash.
Sure would be cool if we just start this thing up and drive it over.
Yeah, we could.
Kind of disappointed that the belt box was full of water.
Are you?
Yeah, dude. Fucking 20 pounds of seat.
You want to put wheels on it, drive it over?
This thing's rough. Huh? Just shaking all the sand out of it. Working its way over to the wash station. About to fall off this thing. You want to come forward a little more? Huh? Just come forward.